Hi guys, I'm back again with another unboxing video, but this time is of the bar shampoo and also conditioner, and it's supposedly plastic-free packagings, and the name is Viori, if I say it correctly. And then the bar shampoo and conditioner is made of rice water. And this is the shampoo soap holder. So the scent I got is the Hinton Waterfall Sweet Musk Scented Hinton Waterfall. So this is how it arrives in 100% vegans, handmade, natural safe, sustainable, sulfate free, paraben free, plastic free, cruelty free. And that's a website if you want to find out more about it. Hinton Waterfall shampoo. So let me open. Guess I should open it from the back. I try not to rip it, but I think I have quicker if I do that. Oh, okay. Whoops. Okay, so this is the outside package. This is the bamboo holder. I have to buy it separately. I think it's 10 bucks, full price. But like I said, I got it on sale. I think 20% off. Oh, is this mold? No, it's probably the black packaging got on it. It's kind of cute. And here's the shampoo. Again, Hinton Waterfall Musk Scent. It's supposed to be a sweet vanilla scented shampoo. Made in the USA. But they source from the village in China. Let's see. Oh, cool. That's what the bar soap, the shampoo bar look like. Let me smell it. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, vanilla. I can smell vanilla. Yeah, like sweet vanilla. I haven't tried it in the shower since this is my just unboxing, but yeah, it smells lovely. And then this is the, let's see, I can put this in here. Remind me of a bamboo dumpling steamer, but I like it. So, and here's the conditioner, the bar conditioner, with the same scent. Oh. So 2.8 ounce. I hope this will last at least a month. Let me smell. The conditioner smells similar to the shampoo, but much lighter scent. The shampoo has a stronger vanilla. No, take that back. Maybe similar. Well, I think the shampoo has slightly more fragrant vanilla musk. But yeah, pretty much it. I wanted to do a quick one. I hope it's not too long. But I got this shampoo holder, so I'll be trying the shower. I hope I can fit 2 though, because I didn't want to buy 2. Oh, look at that. You can fit 2, but they are touching each other. So I see some other people use it like this, so maybe I'll do it like that as well in the shower. Because I don't think I would need this lid. But yeah, maybe I'll do, I like the design. It's a little mush, but whatever. That's all gonna probably disappear after my first wash. So I'm gonna try it tonight. I'll link the website in case you guys are interested. I'm not sure if there's a sale going on, but just want to come over and do an unboxing. I thought this was very pretty packaging. I can put it back. Yeah, it was beautiful. Oh, that was easy. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day.